it is not always easy to apply Hooponopono to take care of ourselves. I want to share with you an episode that it's happened to me first. In the middle, a couple of months ago, I get the COVID-19, and I had the high fever, and I had the throat ache so much, and that was for 4 days. 4 days I lie on the bed and with the fever and a lot of pain in my throat. So what I was able to do, I was not able to do to apply any tools, Hooponopono tools, because I feel very, very bad. So, but what I was able to do, just to talk to my Pili mentally, talk to my Pili, say, I love you, thank you, I want to take care of yourself. So in that situation, I was not able to do anything more. So it is talking, and then I recovered, and after a few days, I was perfect. I recovered very, very quickly. After that's bad 4 days, I recovered very, very quickly. So what I get from there, it was that we don't have to be complicated the relationship with our Unihipili. We just show love. We just say to ourselves, to our subconscious mind, that we want to take care of Unihipili. I want to take care of myself first. And that was a wonderful learning for me, to go beyond anything that we know, but just open the heart into ourselves. And Unihipili always always replay on that care of ourselves, of our intimate and inner space, because Unihipili, it is our intimate and inner space. Even though we don't know what is going on below our attention, the only thing that we have to do is love it. Even in the bad situation, maybe we are fighting, or I don't know, we are in a traumatic situation like an earthquake. Just say mentally to yourself, I love you, thank you. Or do anything that can show or manifest love for yourself. That's the only thing that I suggest in that moment, and that was my experience too. So be simple. Do not be complicated. Do not looking for complicated things, but be simple. Just to manifest a small amount of love to yourself, and that is enough for Unihipili in that moment. We don't need a lot, and Unihipili need only love, a small amount of love and attention of ourselves. Yes, and about what is Unihipili, actually we don't know, because it is everything that happened in our identity that is below our conscious mind. It is like the powerhouse of ourself, because it moves everything, and also the reality that perceive is always filtered by our Unihipili. So this is why if we put a smaller amount of love into our Unihipili, our perception of a reality always change, and always we can see the beauty, the perfection, the divinity, whatever is happening, whatever is going on around us and inside us. Thank you very much.